guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We're going to get right into this video. So today in this video, I'm basically going to be sharing you guys something that I found out. It is a Shopify app and it is definitely new to me. Maybe some of you guys already figured out the app and what the app is used for, but it's something that I found out, and if I am learning about this, I basically wanted to let you guys know so you can use it too if it is beneficial for yourself. Basically, the app is called InstaFeed, and the InstaFeed is basically where you can share your Instagram feed on your website. And I think this tool and this app is very beneficial because, for me personally speaking, on my Instagram feed, I promote all of my products. I show certain orders that I ship out, so it just engages more into my business. Basically, what you're going to do first is you're going to go to this connect an Instagram account. Basically, that's what you're going to do is connect your account. You're going to click on it, and it's going to take you to a page to where you're going to log in. After you log in, you're going to allow certain things, and then you're going to come back to this page that we're on right now. This page that we're on right now is basically the page that you do everything. On the left side, it's where you're going to edit, and on the right side is how it's going to appear. So, starting off on the left side, you see where it says feed title. Feed title is basically what you want it to say right above the Instagram feed on your website. You can either put nothing there, or you can put whatever you want to put there that you want other people to do, or if you want them to know something. It's basically just like, I guess you can say, a call to action. It lets people know what you want them to do. And of course, I want people to follow me. Next is the spacing. So where my arrow is, it's basically the spacing between each photo. I put mine on 5%. You can play around with it on how you want it to space, but it just looks better with 5%. I don't want my photos basically to be jumbled together. So 5% was just enough for me, basically. The next one is your image click. And basically, these are kind of self-explanatory. The open pop-up is basically when you click on your photo, or someone else, I guess, clicks on the photo, it will pop up just like this. They will see the Instagram photo. They will see whatever you put into that description for that photo, and kind of that's it. The next one is open Instagram. Now, open Instagram will actually take you to your Instagram page. So if someone clicks on that photo, they will go directly to your Instagram page. And the reason why I don't like that is because it's taken away from my website. Somebody came to my website for a reason, and I don't want to take them away from that. And then lastly, it's the do nothing, and do nothing is basically do nothing. It doesn't do anything. It just basically show and tell. You just see what you see, and you kind of just move along. There isn't no clicking or anything that takes you anywhere or shows you anything additional than what you're kind of seeing just on this page. So my preference is to open and pop, and that's why I kind of have it that way. The next one is layout. Layout is going to give you two options. I did grid. Grid is just like this. It is right next to each other. There is no additional features to that. You literally see what you get right here. Versus if you do the next option of slide, you literally would just click the arrows, and someone can actually click almost through your whole Instagram page. The next one is rows and columns. You want to play around with this. It depends on this is really your preference, is rows and columns. I had 2 at first, but I felt like 2 was too much. So I kept it to just 1, so they could basically see my last 4 photos. And then my columns, I kept it to 4 because I just wanted them to see my last 4 photos. And it's a really good thing to have your photos represent what your business is, because in this instance, people will know, of course, I do pop sockets and phone cases. But kind of once you're done with all of that, like I said, you could definitely play around with it. You just click on save, and it saves. That's it. It's really, really, really just that simple. Right here, I wanted to show you guys like an additional feature. I don't have it because you do have to pay for it. But when you click on it, you can do a tag a product. And when you tag your product, of course, it will open up your Shopify products page, and you just, of course, tag the product that you have in that photo. or tag whatever product you want. But like I said, that's a feature that's added to the non-free plan. I don't want to be on a non-free plan because I really use it just for people to see what my Instagram looks like. It goes with my color scheme of gold and black and white, and it just looks really, really good on my website. So I can also get people to follow me on my Instagram as well, so they can keep updated with everything that I do on my business. Um, Honestly, you guys, that's pretty much it for it. But what I'm gonna do is just basically show you how it looks on your Instagram. I'm sorry, on your website, and that's pretty much it. Like, it's really, really simple. Um, Now, one thing I would say, I don't know if it depends on the type of theme that you have for your Shopify, but I know for me, I'm going to show you guys real quick that it does not show beyond my homepage. If I go to like a product page, it does not show anywhere else. It only shows on my homepage. And yeah, you guys, it's pretty much that simple. There's nothing really much to it. It's just something that I found out, and I really wanted to show you guys and other business owners on how to basically add your Instagram feed to your business site. I hope you guys really love this video and hope it is very informative, and I'll see y'all next time.